Every day henceforth, this bridge will stand as it has stood since the beginning, as a staunch reminder of the rewards awaiting the collaborative endeavor. And come nighttime, as people are mesmerized by the wonderful display put up in the scenic spot that it exemplifies, I look forward to the economic opportunities that will be simulated by this as well as other Spark Summer initiatives in the near future. And come nighttime, as people are mesmerized by the wonderful display put up in the scenic spot, that it exemplifies how we hold the power to add value, purpose, and grace unto our nation. Let the lights of this bridge also signal our resolve to make our islands even more connected by filling its gaps with displays of ingenuity, creativity, and openness, so that progress may move freely among us. With this, it is my earnest desire that this event will encourage the local governments of Samar and Leyte, its people, as well as every Filipino, to pursue programs that will not only result to significant enhancements to our infrastructure, but will also pave the way for long-lasting impacts in the lives of our fellow Filipinos.
When the lights of the San Juanico Bridge start to shine tonight, remember me as I say, it's time for Samar and Samar naman.
San Juanico Bridge was not built for Leyte. San Juanico Bridge was built for Samar. Progress that was being brought to Leyte only arrives hanggang Leyte lang. And that is why it was very, very important that this bridge be built to give Samar some of the advantages that Tacloban has, province of Leyte has.